Hey, check this out, man. An old school tricycle. Electric tricycle.
Pasok kita ruangan mana kita nih apa lagi kita. Kaya di sana. Sino bago na natin dito. Mangkit na rin ito. Gusto mo lang.
Ang kastoy. Hindi ako kasi dati.
Kaya naman ang chip ko. Kasi kami dati. Tuloy siya. Kasi siya nagdasal. Pagkatwada tas kaltik dito.
Kapasik kasi siya ito. May sa pala. Kasi bagagar ka ni mama mo. Apa na kabudok na galit ko.
But it's been years that I did not walk here.
No?
It's a shortcut.
Shortcut this way?
Lain mo na nato. Para dali doon.
No, you're a tour guide.
The guy while ago, their house is previously there.
Ah. Yeah, this must be what are these, rice fields, Miles? Huh? Rice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Soon maybe they will plant onion here.
Onions? Okay. Never been down this way before.
Oh, wait.
Hello.
We're going as mines.
Landmine. Building a road.
Yeah.
Cool.
They are going to put the
Where's he taking us?
take the shortcut. Be careful, ah. Gusto tayo yan.
Welcome to my poultry, Uncle.
Oh, here we are. Okay. Okay.
Ako, dapat baod na.
We have arrived at Roderick's chicken farm. Got some roosters. Oh, we got one rooster.
Kinaya sa digit ko, gulay.
Kung handa aming kinang, dalagi yung mga yat, dalagi yahaan.
You got all these chickens. Are they KFC approved? So, with this green fencing it, this is all your property?
Not yet, Uncle.
Well, it's going to be all your
Yes.
property. Okay.
Hopefully.
All right, personal question. If you don't want to answer this, how much would they charge you for this property?
For this property, Uncle?
Yeah.
I'm not sure, Uncle, how wide it is.
Uh-huh.
Pero I think it's 500 per square meter.
Yeah. And how much you paying?
Not
If you don't,
Uncle.
if none of my business, that's fine. I can
Well,
deal with
Uncle,
that.
sige lang. I did not started to pay yet.
Ah, okay.
Magalis to. Api dadakkel dang inalam dagito eh.
Wanante.
Nga ni dagitlog dagito yun.
So after 2 weeks ko na dapat ante.
Wow.
Now, did you purchase these when they were full grown, or did you get them when they were babies? Or chicklets? Chicklets, yeah.
No, uncle, it's big.
Oh, you already got them when they were big?
When she-
Okay.
when he got there.
Uncle, I'll just let the other here.
Madidag tayo, blong. Si
Well,
bubusog.
you got one straggler. It's a guy, got one straggler hanging out.
Yes.
Put him there. Okay, thank you.
Oh, makikita po.
Ipan na brante.
Jai.
Bato. Ano?
So what are you gonna do? Are you doing it for egg production or just for?
Egg production only, uncle.
Yeah.
They are, you can differentiate the organic and the breeding.
Yeah, yeah. Selling eggs, man. I don't have a problem buying eggs off of you. I'm serious. I'm serious.
Brown egg.
I like organic. I like
uncle.
organic eggs.
Organic eggs.
Yeah, where the yolk is real bright.
Yes, uncle.
That's how you can tell if it's good eggs. Me personally, that's how I tell how bright the yolk is.
Aja pagat katangan mi ti gulay baga na mga dakan o agal-alag yun.
Never alam mo lang ante.
Ipakan na kano ti baboy na.
Got anything to say, guy? Yeah?
No.
Has KFC been talking to you? Oh, okay.
So they like it.
I tell you, I could sit out here and just watch the view. It's peaceful.
Yes, uncle. Patikan ko mani-mani. Anong gamit lang.
With the mountains in the background. Yeah, I could do it.
Tapos di dyan, tinadalos na parte na mula ako ti sayote. Try ko muna sayote nga nakapa.
Yeah, I want you to check out what's it called?
Cobra chicken.
Cobra chicken. Well, it's a rooster, really. Look at this thing, man. It looks like it's been on rough times. I think you're all pulling my leg. I think you're all just being just pulling my leg, ain't you? They don't look like that, do they?
They are like
He looks like he has had a rough life.
no many chicken like that.
Poor thing. Yeah, he looks like he's been beaten up, thrown out of every bar. Yeah, he's got a bald head. He's got no feathers on his head or his neck.
Yeah, I seen those. That is only a chick when I went to Cagayan. I seen those. That one already.
Yes,
Do you feed him?
yes, uncle. I also feed them feeds. Ay, minsan din.
I don't know. He just looks like he's had better days, you know.
No, just like that.
And it's called a cobra
Cobra
chicken.
chicken.
You show it a cobra rooster,
Cobra chicken.
but it's a rooster, right?
No, that's not.
Is it a
that's
male or female?
Male.
All right, rooster.
It's a rooster.
Rooster. You don't need to wait until become a big rooster. Maybe sooner or later,
What, to eat
maybe
'em?
Roderick will.
To eat them? I don't know. I don't. Do you like rooster as far as to eat?
Yeah, uncle, because
The texture of the meat is not.
It's rough.
Yeah.
It's more.
That's why
Tough.
I said don't wait until
guess that's
it's
the word I
become
wanna use.
an old rooster
No.
while it's still young.
Well, you know, they also say that they say that for sheep and goat too. You eat them before they hit a year old.
Yeah.
No, seriously, you hit so the meat's not so tough.
Yeah.
Oh.
Even if already old, the more you cook them long, the more the taste will gone.
I don't know, I'm not an expert on mutton. We call it mutton,
Yeah. Not unless you put a lot of ingredients.
I guess. But pressure cook it.
Yeah.
So all these chickens, you're not going to eat one of them, huh?
No,
No.
Uncle.
Ah.
Maybe he will after the first laying egg, maybe he will you do the inventory.
Well, what they usually, I don't know about you, but what they usually do when the chicken stops, the hen stops laying eggs, it's going into the pot. You know what I mean? In other words, it no longer lays eggs, going into the pot. Because you're wasting money.
Yes, Uncle. This one, Uncle, they will lay eggs for 2 years.
Yeah,
2 to 3 years only. And then after that, you can just,
put it in the pot.
yeah, Uncle. They just,
Put in the pot.
you can just put them in the pot, or you can just sell them again.
Yeah,
So
but some for meat.
for meat only.
It's the cycle of life, you know?
Yeah.
50 chickens, huh?
Diyan ay upa ano din kaldo. Ang kakabsat dari tawon no inada kan ita.
So are they considered native chickens?
Yeah, they are brothers and sisters.
No, are they considered native chickens?
Native, yeah, they are native.
Okay, and what are these ones?
They are native also, but for
I thought the natives were white and the immigrants were different colors.
the immigrants with the
They are called decalb, Uncle. Decalb brown.
Deco what?
Yeah,
Decalb brown.
Oh,
decalb brown.
deco.
We also have decalb white, the white one.
Yeah.